What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Keats Garage. You're joining me here again. So I hope you've all had a good Christmas and New Year. Sorry I've been a bit quiet on here, but you're joining me today in some woodlands. No real reason other than there's no wind noise or people around. But today I thought I'd go through what's going on with the cars. I know I've not uploaded in, I don't know, probably about 5 months now. So let's go see the cars, see what's up with them. Right then, so that leads me on to my first car of the fleet anyway. My E46. So currently she's a bit of a workhorse, as you can tell by the filth. So yeah, a bit of a workhorse. She's got the Christmas tree and some furniture in the back to go to the tip. Probably spent about £1,000 on the E46 over the past, what, 8 months I've owned it, I think. Tyres, suspension all round, you know, usual business. Yeah, so I love this car. The power delivery is so smooth. The ride is beautiful on a smooth road. But here in the UK, we don't have smooth roads, do we? We've got roads full of potholes. Does it stay? Maybe I swap it for a 5 Series with the same engine, E39 generation, something like that. Or maybe I go just something completely different. So the second car in the fleet, we've got my Civic. What a piece of shit, eh? Still rusting at the rear arches. Bit down there. Yeah, so not much has changed with this car. Got an MOT last year and then bought my E46, of course, as always happens. It's got a slight moisture issue, being in Britain and in winter. Yeah, just gave it a clean, mainly because, helpfully, someone decided to reverse into it, caused this bit of damage here at the front. You can sort of see there's a crease here along the bumper. Still trying to find 2 more alloys for it, because I've only got the fronts on there at the minute, which makes it look pretty sad. Come around the other side, look. Bit of rust here again, bit more down here. Does it stay or does it go? I'm sort of in 2 minds whether I turn it into a track car or whether I sell it and buy something else. On to the next car in the fleet, which is Sarah's Polo. Here it is. So the Polo's got some issues, got some parts on order. Annoyingly, got some in from Germany and the wrong ones arrived. Yeah, it's pretty standard. Off the road at the minute, of course, due to a shock absorber issue. So I think it's got some blown shocks on the rear. Oh dear. Yeah, they're not doing anything anymore, are they? That does bring us to the final car in the fleet, which you all know, I'm sure, if you watch any of the videos. The car that started everywhere. No, it's not true. I had an old Mini before this. Yeah, an E30, still looking pretty sad for itself as well. You can tell which panel is new. It's just this one here, still shiny even though it's been sat for 2 years. Yeah, all the rear end's back on. Nothing's torqued up. This one also suffers with a bit of moisture, but it's looking okay today. It needs a clean. He's very green on the outside. See along the rubbers, they need a good scrubbing. And the steering wheel's looking pretty sorry for itself. Getting a bit mouldy now. What have we got on there? 141,000 miles. Rear seats in the house, obviously. Yeah, so rear discs and everything for this car. Surprisingly cheap they were, like £6 a disc or something stupid like that. So that's it, guys. Little update with the Keats Garage fleet. So I need your help, guys, to work out what I'm going to do with a bunch of my cars. Do I keep the E46? Do I sell it? Try and get an E39? Deal with those problems? Rust, all the bushes again, you know, normal BMW things really. The Civic, would you like to see a track car build? Is the Civic the right car? 115 horsepower? It's not a lot, is it? But it's got potential. Case swap it, you're looking at about 200, 240-ish. So it's doable. Would you like to see that? I'd obviously have to go through the basics of getting the right stuff, all the equipment, helmet, overalls, boots, the whole lot. So I could do some videos on that. Might be quite useful. There's a lot of that content out there. Yeah, the Polo's staying, I suspect, mainly because we're trying to buy a house. And yeah, the beloved E30 needs some loving. Hopefully this year. Yeah, hopefully this year when it gets a bit warmer, because it's about 1 degree outside today. It's not really working on car weather, I'll be honest. As you can probably tell by my cold red face in the wind and my hair going everywhere. So if there's any wind noise. So yeah, let me know, guys, down in the comments what you'd like to see. maybe we'll make it happen. You never know. I'll also be putting a poll on my channel, so if you are subscribed and see that, just make sure you click one of the buttons if you want to vote. I'll leave a couple of the options on there in case you're struggling for ideas. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, guys. I will catch you next time, where hopefully we'll have some more car content. Hey, right, just me walking around chatting shit. Anyway, catch you later, guys.